Namaste friends. The ancient yogis understood that better digestion is the key to a radiant health. A better digestive and eliminative system is absolutely fundamental to better physical and mental health. But many people today in this modern time are failing to possess a better digestive system. In this video, we are practicing 15-minute daily yoga session to improve our digestion. Let's begin the session. Namaste. Sit comfortably on your heels. The palms are on the knees. Keep your spine straight and the chin is parallel to the floor. Close your eyes. To bringing back your awareness to the breathing. You inhale deeply. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Focus your attention on your stomach and visualize that you have a better digestive system. Keeping that awareness, slowly lie down on the mat in Savasana. Your legs apart, your arms apart, your palms are facing up. Close your eyes. Again, breathe deeply, bringing the whole attention to your body. You inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Breathe. Slowly bring your legs together. Both hands over the head, interlocking the fingers and stretch. Stretch the whole body. And exhale, release the hands. Now bring the both hands by the side of your body. The palms are facing down. Relaxing your shoulders, and the shoulders are towards the mat. Keep the knees straight. The toes are pointing upwards. We can do single leg rising. Now inhale, slowly your right leg up, right knee straight. Exhale, slowly your right leg down. Inhale, slowly your left leg up, left knee straight. Exhale, left leg down. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, down. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, down. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, down. One more time. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, down. Relax the body. Again, leave your legs together. we can do double leg rising. Palms are by the side of your body, palms facing down. Now inhale your both legs up, both knees straight. Exhale slowly, both legs down. Inhale, both legs up. Exhale, down. Inhale, both legs up. Exhale, down. Inhale, both legs up. Exhale, down. One more time. Inhale, both legs up. Exhale, slowly down and relax the body. Slowly your legs together, the palms are by the side of the body. Now, as you inhale, slowly the right leg up. Hold your ankles, calf muscles, or the behind the knees with your both hands. Stay in the position and to breathe a couple of times. Breathe comfortably. Now you inhale slowly, your head up, chest up. Bring your face towards the knees. Stay in the position and breathe. Slowly exhale, the head down, chest down. Now bend the right knee and hug the knee tightly towards to the chest. Now inhale, slowly head up, chest up, bring the head towards to the knees. Bring your forehead or chin towards to the knees and breathe in the position. Slowly exhale, head down, chest down. Inhale, slowly your right leg up, release your both hand. And exhale, slowly your right leg down. We can do the other side. Now inhale, your left leg up. Left knee straight. Hold your left ankle, calf muscles or behind your left knee with your both hands. Slowly as you inhale, your head up, chest up, bring your face towards to the left knee and breathe in the position. At the same time, try to keep your left knee and the right knee straight. Breathe. Exhale, head down, chest down. Bend your left knee, hug your left knee tightly towards to the chest. And inhale, your head up, chest up. Bring your forehead towards to the knees and breathe. Exhale, head down, chest down, release your hand. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left leg down. Relax the body. Now slowly your legs together, palms again by the side of your body. We can do double leg rising. Now your both legs up, both knees straight. Hold your ankles or calf muscles with the both hands. Stay there and breathe a couple of times. Slowly, now inhale, the head up, chest up. Bring the face towards to the knees and breathe. Exhale, head down, chest down. Bend your knees, hug your knees tightly towards to the chest. Now slowly head up, chest up. Bring the forehead or your chin between your both knees and breathe in the position. Exhale, head down, chest down, release your hand. Inhale, both legs up. Exhale, both legs down. Relax for 10 seconds. Again, both legs together. Both hands above your thighs and the palms are facing down. Inhale slowly. Your both legs few inches up and your arms, shoulders and head are off the mat. Balance your body on your buttocks and keep the spine straight. The arms should be held at the same level in the line with the toes. And look towards the toes and breathe. Boat pose, now Gathasana. Slowly exhale down. We can do one more time. Again, palms on your thighs. Now inhale your both legs few inches up, head up, chest up, look at the toes. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly exhale, head down, chest down, slowly your both legs down. And relax for a while. Slowly your legs together. Bring the both hands over the head and interlock the fingers. Give your body a good stretch. Stretch the whole body. Exhale, relax. Now slowly come up and lie down on your abdomen. Both legs are together. Both hands are by the side of your body and the palms are facing down. The forehead on the mat. Breathe a couple of times. You inhale deeply. You exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now as you inhale, you head up, chest up, both legs up, both hands up as much as you can. Stay there for 5 seconds. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale down. One more time. Stay there. Inhale. You head up, chest up, both legs up, both hands up. Balance on your abdomen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale slowly down. Take the toes in. Palms are under the shoulders. Slowly come to downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathe in the position for a while, at least for 10 seconds. Stay there and breathe. From there, bend the knees and the knees are on the mat. Now stand on your knees and palms. We can do 2 rounds of cat stretchings. Inhale the head up and chest up, depressing the spine. Engage your abdomen. Look up. Exhale, head down, chest down, look at the navel. Inhale, head up. Exhale down. Very good. Now sit on your heels. Place the palms on the knees. Sit quietly for a moment and breathe. Feel the changes in your body. Slowly open your eyes. Thank you so much for practicing today with us. And see you on the next video. Namaste.